That's why me stay in my lane and keep them company. Can me find out the pussy, them they not love for me. Me get addicted to me, all these like drugs to me. If you're not fan of me on IG, you not must see me.
Yeah man, what go on? What's good? What's popping? From hear the voice, you know say a brand, and from hear our voice, you know say a top shelf review. You know say a top shelf of your people. For you see the title, me have a little thing to talk about today. Now, hear me I say too, no, you know say we is a youth observant and we is a youth way. That's why I'm telling you from where they you know, say the people who comment on my channel. We are going to make an apartheid because in apartheid, and I say apartheid, I put it in a video when it comes to comment. Now, if I want to see the title, know what is up. Before I go no further, I want 500 likes on a video. Not necessarily because we want disunity and we support disunity, but you don't know more you support the channel. You see me? I have share the video. Then I have comment. You see me? I'm going to try to answer as much comment as I can. And if I can put it in the next video, fine. No problem. See? But the whole thing of that video is surrounded by a subscriber make a comment on that video. Now, you know the whole unruly setup. Zine, you know say Popcaan are the leader for the unruly gang. Zine, unruly entertainment. And you don't know Popcaan do a great work, you see me? Great work. When we say great, we mean great. You see me? And he might launch out him artists them. Two of the main artists them where Popcaan launch out is Quada and Jaffras. So remember this.
When the 47 boss. I show no trouble when I trouble them. Quada rise the rifle, make we go for them. Murder did that poison, they pop with them. Them my own crime, but you're not for them.
And so, this are from January 2017. Zine. This are the same beat as Stray Dog, the pan and Popcaan did Shade Alkaline. See? Boy dead like Stray Dog. New. So him did launch out the unruly camp one time. You get what I say, which at the time was Jaffras and Quada. You don't know the artists there around there, but them were the two main artists up front, we see. So that's 2017, and you don't know him and Quada work together and them something. And you see them him a perform a show and Quada there. Even up to Unruly Fest we keep December. Quada was on the show. But to be honest, me kind of hear some little rumors as in to say they weren't 100%. You get what I say? Or him are not nice about 100% Popcaan. But you don't know we're not going to run with that. Zine and come and whatever. Because it's not like we want to see any youth in a disunity. But at the end of the day, if we see a story where we see certain things and you don't know social media age again, remember me come showing the Lee Miller Alkaline thing, me come showing the DJ Frost Alkaline thing, and you don't know we say no objectivity. So don't think that this is a thing where, oh, so only when Alkaline people follow it. No, right across the board. If we see anything worse on social media, no movement on social media, we're going to come talk. Because of social media, I'm depend. Zine. So, anyway, you don't know Jaffras, Popcaan, Unruly Camp, everything are going good. As we say, up to December, we see him on the show, so would I say everything alright. So, I see a little movement, I see a little play, and as somebody bring it to my attention, Zine, but watch this. So somebody comment and say, Brando, you know realize Papi and Jaffras nah deal again. Them even unfollow each other, and Jaffras did have Unruly in his bio, and him remove it. And I said, Jano, you know, I never really pre that or program that. You see me? How I really go on there so? Unfollow. What this unfollow thing come like is a 2020 thing, you know. I come like you have 2020 vision to see who unfollow who, you know. Now people, as I said to you before, the social media thing, yeah, but no people will say, yeah, but Brando, you can't use that a man unfollow a man. That no mean nothing, Brando. That no mean nothing. Social media mean nothing. But the thing is with me and why me question certain things and why I'm going to make the video, you know, is why would you go through your follow list? See, some of the men them have large following lists, some have small. Why would you look in a list where a man where you are par or a man where you rate? Remember you have following before, you know. So why you just click on the man name and click unfollow. Or the man block you. That are the next thing to, you know. Yeah, that are the next thing to, because even at the Alkaline case, we have to consider that too. Where they may have made it back and I say, but Brando, I must unfollow me there, you know, can the man block you? Get to me say, because all you have to do when you see my following list, you're not going to see my follow him. So either I'm unfollow him or I'm get blocked. But something, if you go in the listing and do that, something must have go on. You get to me I say? Yeah, man, something must have go on, especially two man will rate each other and par and everything. It look like there's a fallout. That he must say right there. So you don't know, we are going to investigate it ourselves. So me say me I go over there go investigate, you know, me see him comment something else and say, even Not Nice unfollow Papi and Not Nice sign Jaffra so a war go on. So I say, nah man, that a before me investigate what go on, you know. Cause you don't know, me not just take up anything. Big up yourself, Rushan, but we not just take up something where a man comment and come run with it. We have to investigate it, we have to look what go on, we have to vet it, we have to see what go on. Then we come back, come show the people them what go on, bring it to the people, them reason it out, have conversation with them, go research, come back, and so we have to do it. Cause around here, so we try to keep it facts. And when you know facts, I go tell you say a sheep, or goat, or frog, or some other animal. You get to me and say, but a fox, we keep it too. But anyway, we give everything, cause the zoo. So watch this now. When him say so now, I say, nah man, Not Nice nah follow him. But remember say, Not Nice and Popcorn a link long time from Gaza days, you know. Not Nice, Popcorn, Vibes Cartel, one link. So that deeper, but Jaffras just come on the scene. Probably man Jaffras have a falling out, that's different. But Not Nice. So in my mind, me I say, I wonder if Not Nice and Popcorn really fall out. And then through a Jaffras, a Not Nice, they bring Jaffras round there. Not Nice, I say, you hear me? Yeah, my general now link, you know, so movements, you know. Get to me and say, I don't know how it go or who violate or what. I don't know who. You see me? So anyway, I say, I'm going to do investigation and go over there and look what really take place. So I pull up over Jaffra's page first. And I say, yeah, man, look what go on. So I type in pop. No users found for Popcorn. So I say, how the blow out? It look like a real thing. It look like a real thing. I say, no, man, hold on. I look on the Not Nice part now. Because if him are Not Nice, nah link or nah follow. So I say, alright, Popcorn. No users found. Yo, not even a fan page the man a follow. Nothing. None of them not even a follow a fan page. Nothing for do with pop. Get to me and say, nothing for do with pop, none at all. Get to me and say, no Popcorn, no pop up, no pop, nothing. You see me? So, me I say, January look like something really a take place then. And then now, what piqued my interest even further, we notice Popcorn a forward out pan the media them. Get to me and say, Popcorn a do interview per on stage, Popcorn a do interview per ER. And when we look per ER, we not see Jaffras and we not see Not Nice. The only producer we see a DNA. Get to me and say, you know that way him find the big song with Number Don't Lie. Yeah. One more time. Number Don't Lie upon him album Vanquish. Get to me and say. And I think even upon Vanquish, you know, I never see Not Nice upon there, you know. Correct me if I'm wrong. You get to me and say, but I say this whole thing happening in a relatively short period because you go upon ER Zine and I see my list out all them artists them. Unruly Cause, Frances One, who else? Quada, Wild Crocodile, and couple of people I never know. I say, but where Jaffras? They all me look and wait for him say Jaffras, no Jaffras. I see him come on stage and the video them and the clipping them when I say, me not say no Jaffras. So I say, nah man. This, it look like something not go on for real. Mind you, we don't hear nobody attacking, we don't hear no reason concrete what go on or if something go on. But we just said the unfollow thing, for you to go as far to unfollow somebody from your social media, your Instagram, because remember, you know, it's not like these. The artists them and the producer them not follow a whole heap of people. If you notice, Not Nice just follow 30 people. So it's a select few. So that means you're not going to see an artist have 10,000 people that follow. No, you're not going to see that. So that means there's a reason why I'm follow the select few and there's a reason probably why I'm not follow the others. Some artists not follow nobody. You get to me I say? And when you realize, and a man might say, yeah, but brand does, but you are the social media age we're in. That is just a reality. Social media is a next reality to the reality what we know. So when we see a man follow or unfollow somebody, comment or don't comment, it is a sign of something. That's how I see it. Mind you, don't tell the whole story, because I don't know fully if them fall out, or I don't know fully why them fall out. But it look like something take place and it happened in a relatively short time, because as I tell you, Jaffras was on Unruly Fest. Jaffras was on Unruly Fest. You get to me I say? So what happened between Unruly Fest December and now February. I don't know when the unfollowing take place. As I say, I can Popcaan block them too. Remember, I said that part that I can Popcaan block them. Because no user phone right there, so can just mean say Popcaan block them and they are no longer following Popcaan. You see me, so it must be a case where them unfollow him. But me a question to myself and I say, what could I really go on? And what could I really take place in the link? Because see there, I know Jeffress must grateful for what Popcaan do for him. You get me? I say must. Because Popcaan bring him on show around the world. Popcaan put him on color. Popcaan go on with a bag of things. You get me? I say so it's a good look. You see me? But what really take place, I don't know. I don't remember to say originally Jeffress is not nice artist. Get me? I say I really not nice bring him to the fore. But you don't know not nice and Popcaan apart. Not nice and Popcaan sister of a child, which is Squid. Get me? I say it's a family something that so. Him have an artist about which is Jeffress and say what you know? Forward, Unruly, link up. So as me say, it could have been a case, where and not nice and Popcaan really have a little vibe. And the people remember them vibes that can resolve, This is not the end of the world or the end of the link, Because I see artists and man stop link and Empire, but me see one at a time I think not nice and teacher did fall out. And it look like everything good. You get what me I say? So artists and producer fall out, that is a usual thing. Yeah, your brother fall out, that's a usual thing. And your sister fall out, it's a usual thing. But our brother do see what go on and I make the people them know what go on. That no mean it can't mean I can't patch. Because remember, whenever you're not nice come say, Big Dot is thinking Papi. And whenever your Papi come say, fish not nice, or we not hear that. I just look where I go on and I put 2 and 2 together and I say, say 4 is equal. But now I have nothing else to say, Why your views on the topic? Makan.